Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of open source licenses. I know, it sounds boring, but stick with me because this stuff is pretty important if you're interested in AI. Plus, stay tuned for some news about DeepSeek. And I promise, no legal jargon. Mostly. AI studios have been releasing open source LLMs during the last few years. It means more innovation, more customization, and the option to utilize and fine-tune LLMs for specific industries and use cases. DeepSeek's open source R1 model dropped a couple of weeks ago, and the world went wild. The good thing is, it's pretty good at figuring stuff out. The bad news, it's got some issues. Researchers have used red teaming to jailbreak DeepSeek. Apparently, it can't block any nasty prompts at all. A few days ago, Alibaba Cloud jumped in with Qwen 2.5 Max, claiming it's crushing DeepSeek in some benchmark. If you want to start experimenting with open source LLMs, head over to Hugging Face and Homebrew. It's important to know which license an open source LLM has been released under. And if you're new to these principles, let's explore their origin. So, back in the 80s, a bunch of really smart folks founded the Free Software Foundation. These folks saw proprietary software locking people down, and they were like, hold up, what if we shared the code? What if everyone could build on each other's stuff and make it even better? Totally mind-blowing stuff. That's where open source licenses come in. Take the MIT license. It's one of the most common, and it's basically like giving your software code to the world with a wink and a nod saying, go ahead, use it, tweak it, sell it, whatever. Just maybe give me a little credit. Plus, it works. You're using open source right now, and you probably don't even know it. Linux powers a huge portion of the internet. The Apache web server, it serves most of the websites you visit. Firefox, an alternative to Google Chrome, and Android, the operating system that powers nearly half of the world's smartphones. Open source is everywhere. And so there you have it. Open source licenses explained in a nutshell. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got to go back to training my AI to write better jokes. Peace out.